أعوذ بالله بسم الله والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله وعلى آله وصحبه ومن والاه. رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي. أما بعد. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Our topic today, inshallah ta'ala, is going to be علامات الإعراب. علامات الإعراب. The signs of Arabic words. And today we're going to have, first thing, we're going to define علامات الإعراب. Then we're going to mention the types of علامات الإعراب that we have. We're going to mention the علامات الإعراب, then give example of this علامات الإعراب. Going to the definition of علامات الإعراب. هي العلامات التي تدخل على الأسماء والأفعال في آخرهما. I underline the word al-asma and al-af'al because the previous class we had a topic called Aqsam al-Kalima. In the Aqsam al-Kalima we have al-isim, al-fin and al-harf. So al-isim, al-harf and al-af'al, they are the types of al-kalima. Looking at this definition, we are having only al-asma and al-af'al, which means al-harf is exempted, or al-ahruf is exempted from alamat al-i'rab. Now, we're going to mention the types of alamat al-i'rab. In Arabic language, we have two types of alamat al-i'rab. The one that is al-asliya, which is the primary signs of a kalima in Arabic language. Then al-far'iyya, the one that is secondary. Today, we are not going to go to the secondary. We are going to basically talk about the al-alamat al-asliya. The alamat al-asliya are, we have al-raf'u. Al-raf'u, in another meaning that will close to your brain, to your thinking, or to your word that is, the word that is with you is dhamma. Dhamma. All of us know dhamma, isn't it? Alhamdulillah. So al-raf'u is a dhamma. Al-nasbu is fatha. Why? Al-jarru is kasra. Kasra. Then we have al-jazmu. Al-jazmu. Al-jazmu is sukun. So now, after knowing these alamat, al-raf'u, which is dhamma, al-nasbu, which is fat'a, al-jarru, which is kasra, and al-jazmu, which is sukun, we need to know these alamat. How are they working with al-isim and al-fin? First of all, we have the first kalima, the first one, that is what? Al-raf'u, which is dhamma. Dhamma, okay. We have the second one, we have al-nasbu. Al-nasbu, this is what? Al-fat'a. These two alamat al-i'rab, both of them, they are working with both al-isim and al-fi'l. We can see a name, a noun having dhamma. We can see a verb having fatha at the end. Example of that. When we say Ja'a Muhammadun, Ra'aytu Muhammadan. In the first example, Muhammad is having dhamma, while the kalima Ja'a is having fatha at the end. In the second example, we see al-isim having fatha at the end. While in another example, inshallah, we can say يذهب علي. Looking at the kalima yadhhabu, we recognize dhamma at the end of the verb yadhhabu. So a noun can have dhamma and it can have fatha, while a verb too can have dhamma and it can have fatha. That is for ar-raf'u and an-nasb. But let's go to the two other ones that are al-jarru and as-sukun. Al-jarru, as we all know, jarru is kasra, isn't it? Al-jarru is basically for nouns, isim. A verb cannot have a kasra. It's not possible in Arabic language. Example of that, when you say marartu bi Muhammadin. Marartu bi Muhammadin. The kalima Muhammad in this sentence is having kasra at the end. Now going to the last one, which is sukun. Sukun is basically for al-fi'l, for verb. A noun cannot have sukun at the end. So likewise, a verb cannot have kasra at the end. The example of al-fi'l with sukun is, if we pick this sentence, yadhhabu aliyu, we take it here, yadhhab aliyu, and we have the particles that can give it sukun at the end, which is what? Lam. We will say lam yadhhab aliyu. Lam yadhhab aliyu. We can see that the kalima yadhhabu that is having dhamma here is equally having sukun in this place. So these are the little explanation about علامات الإعراب. The recap of this class is علامات الإعراب هي العلامات التي تدخل على الأسماء والأفعال في آخرهما. They are the signs that are showing at the end of Arabic words, the nouns and the verbs. They are علامات الإعراب. We have two types. We have the one that is primary and the one that is secondary. Then the alamat i'rab are al-raf'u, which is dhamma, al-nasbu, which is fatha, al-jarru, which is kasra, al-jazmu, which is a sukun. Now we give example of every of these alamat, that al-raf'u and nasbu can be with isim and al-fi'l, while al-jarru is only for nouns, while sukun is only for verbs. وصلى الله وسلم على نبينا محمد وعلى آله وصحبه وسلم. والسلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.